Invoice number V8337. Today is August 12th, 2024. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace. It is a 13 by 13 flue. Basic sweep, poultice, creosote remover, and rotary have been performed to this flue. We are proceeding down with the video inspection portion now. We do have an open mortar joint. There's a gap right there. Poultice creosote remover so far looks very good. Staggered flue towel, open mortar joint present. Staggered flue towel. Does appear to be flashing. However, it is pretty tight. Staggered flue towel. Cement protruding inward as well. Staggered flue towel. Thing came out phenomenal. staggered flue towel. There's a slight offset in this flue as well. There's your offset. Another staggered tile. Now in the smoke chamber, slight offset. Daylight is still present through the offset. We are approximately 30 feet tall. That concludes the video inspection. There are some gaps in some mortar joint areas. Mortar is missing. Recommendations will follow, and that concludes the video inspection.